Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Federica. Hi everyone, my name is Federica. I'm an Italian teacher, interpreter, and translator, and I've been living in Australia for over 10 years. I started teaching Italian in 2010, and I can't wait to share with you everything I know about the pronunciation of my native language. If you want to learn how to read and pronounce Italian words with confidence, or already speak Italian but need to brush up on some rules, you're in the right place. In this course, I've broken down Italian pronunciation into 6 parts so that you can build a solid knowledge of Italian sounds and practice what you've learned during the lessons with me. By the end of this course, you'll know a wide range of Italian vocabulary, and you'll be able to pronounce Italian words like a native speaker. Are you ready to start? Enroll now and start learning Italian pronunciation the most effective way. I'll see you in class. Ciao!